Bakit ang layo ng Starbucks?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Oh, hello! Guess where we are? Welcome to Niagara Falls! Nag-travel kasi kami dito separately dahil hindi kami kasya sa isang kotse. Padaanin mo yung mga tao niyo sa likod natin. And then we're gonna have to make a left here. Dito, oh. And then, nag-travel kasi kami dito na separately kasi nga hindi kami kasya sa isang kotse. Let's go. Ita-travel pa namin kayo mamaya dyan. And also, we'll see. There's a Starbucks. Oh, man. Ayan ang Niagara Falls dyan sa unahan. We'll show it to you guys in a minute. Show it to me. Show it to me. Oh, love it. Nagkuha sila ng photo booth, diba? With the magkakapatids. Right over there. Go on a ride? Yeah. He wants to.
If not, Maury and him can go.
Welcome to Niagara Falls.
So.
Ano sabi mo?
Oh yeah. What drink did you get? Just.
I got my usual latte. And then
got the
siya.
matcha latte.
Courtesy of...
Lola.
Nagpalibre to eh.
Yeah, she said, what do you want? So, like,
Oh, tatanggi ka ba, no?
I'm gonna say no.
Ayan yun, meron din sila dito parang 360 restaurant na doon sa
We should
unahan.
actually try their Rainforest Cafe.
What
It's
happened?
like a themed like restaurant.
Where?
The Rainforest Cafe.
Ah,
Try it.
ay yung pinakita mo sa akin kanina?
Diba? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yung sabi mo sa akin kanina.
Yeah.
Let's just go. Tingnan lang natin doon dyan, ano, yung happy something doon. I wanna capture that. Oo nga, ang lamig eh. Tawid na lang tayo dito, tapos balik tayo sa kabilang side. Ayun lang oh, I just wanna capture that. Yay! Parang hindi napupunta dito,
I
no?
know,
To
right?
the end
Your
time.
First time?
First timer ako eh.
Oh my god, actually.
Medyo gloomy lang talaga ngayon guys, but I wanted to show this to you. Ayan oh, ito yung Niagara
Yesterday.
Falls. I think this would,
There's
this
only
would,
borders.
yeah.
You know.
Yun. I mean, that side over there is actually New York. At in Niagara Falls, it's pretty much common knowledge that the Canadian side is so much better when it comes to this attraction. Pero, di ba, papakita lang natin sa inyo yan para makita lang ninyo yung falls. Hindi naman siya frozen eh, considering na napakalamig ng weather ngayon. Nag-snow pa nga kahapon. And then I think it's gonna snow again tomorrow.
It's snowing.
So,
Like the whole.
we're gonna go check. So we're gonna cross. Parang mga turista talaga tayo mo. Ikaw talaga. Ikaw nga.
I'm not even I'm like sipping my drink here. I'm not even making any comments.
Kaya mo kayo, no? Turista, oh.
Actually,
Ayan, happy ka,
I'm
diba?
not the tourist here. I've gone here probably 4 times in the span of 5 months.
Oh, you've been coming back here?
Yeah, I got a hotel.
Oh,
Tapos,
oh.
we went to the casino.
Who did you go here with?
They got the camera.
Nobody kisses and tell.
See mommy.
Look at it now. Just wanted to show it from here. Tingnan mo. Oh my gosh, Mori. Oh,
Kuya-
tingnan mo, meron pala yung boat.
It's freezing.
Ha?
It's
Meron
freezing.
pala. You wanna go?
You wanna go? Wanna go for your
Kaya nga,
vlog?
tanongin kaya natin, ano?
Oh my gosh, I was gonna say
I wanna go.
something.
Bahala sila, maghintay sila dyan.
I know you get wet there. Like,
So,
for sure.
meron naman kapote.
Like for sure.
Ano, tanongin natin kung paano pumunta doon. So, apparently, may Niagara City cruises dito. Tingnan mo, ayan o, yung sinasabi ko.
Galing.
But,
In this weather? Like, of course. Of course.
pinakita lang naman sa kanila pala, no?
Joy, what?
Ay, ayan na yung mga magkakapatid. Oh, right next sa Niagara.
Joy, Joaquin, yun ako.
Oh,
Okay.
ayan na yung falls na napaka-gloomy ngayon. Medyo dark yung, what you call this, yung sky. Pero, pinifigure out pa namin what's the best way to get down dun sa cruise, if there is actually a way to do it. Parang feeling ko naman, ano, ang layo na pupuntahan mo, ang lamig. Pupunta ka sa malapit doon.
Kami na magkapatid.
Saan?
Sa Paninaw.
Kaya nga eh.
Layo nga.
Parang ang layo nga eh. Wala bang funicular?
Yan pala tanong.
Kaya nga,
Kaya mo?
oh. Eh, paano nga pupunta doon?
Mababa ka.
Bababa kayo.
Layo naman. Wala bang elevator? Kaya nga pupunta ka dyan. Ito yung anong street nga ito? Clifton Hill. Andito yung mga attractions sa Niagara. So yung nakita nyo yung falls nandun ano. Ngayon papunta na tayo dito sa Clifton Hill where they have all of the attractions. Andito yung ayan naglalakad si Lola Aileen and Morty. And we're gonna walk over dito sa mga attractions area. Niagara Brewing andito. And then you were talking about this restaurant, Morty. Rainforest Cafe. Sarap ba? You've tried it before? You've tried it? Na-try mo? Yeah. Ayan, And then we're now gonna go in sa arcade area. Kasi nandun yung naghihintay sila sila Pulatsky, Jana, Malen. Dahil hindi sila makapaglakad masyado malamig. But this is where all the fun is. So, sa Great Canadian Midway. Yan yung arcade area nila. May haunted house dito sa kanan. Si Joker, hindi pa rin nila pinapalitan. Medyo messy ngayon, yung slush. Left, right here. We're gonna go in.
Unless it's like YouTube or Facebook or brand sponsorships.
We're gonna go inside Midway arcade area. Hanapin namin sila Mori dito. Sila pala? Joaquin, Jana, and everybody else. We're back. Ang dami naglalaro dito. Puro arcade. Joaquin! Let's go! Very festive in this area. Saan siya papasakayin? Ano papasakayin mo siya? Saan mo papasakayin? Paparide din siya. Toy Story. So pwede mo pala siyang gawin yan all over here. Niagara Skywheel, Movie Land. So anong gagawin mo sa child? You're gonna take Joaquin sa photo booth? I wanna go capture
Disney!
Narinig ka, shut up! Bastos talaga!
Picture!
Itatapon ko yan.
Ay!
Joke lang.
We're gonna do the
Joke
photo
lang.
booth right now.
Sige na, go. Joke lang. Ayan, magpapaphoto booth sila. Wait, before you close it. Photo booth! Ayan, Ghost Blasters. Baka daw matakot. Diba? Nakakaaliw dito, lalo na pag may bata kayo. You're not gonna run out of places to have fun in pag nagpunta kayo dito sa may Niagara Falls area, lalo na dito sa Midway. Ang daming attractions. Pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, $34 for adults, and you can have an option of like 6 different attractions. Ang bata is only $22 Canadian, diba? So, those are the options. Ipapasyal muna kayo dito, tignan nyo. Ilakad natin itong Clifton Hill na street dito sa Niagara para makita nyo yung mga iba pang mga attractions. Etong nasa left ko is parang restaurant, and Boston Pizza is just right over here. Ayan Dads and Jacobs, Thrift Lodge kung gusto nyo matulog dito. Boston Pizza is just right over here. Merong Tim Hortons dun sa unahan. Ito yung Skywheel. Dun sa pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na $34.99, which is $35 for adults. You can actually have this as one of the attractions na pwede nyo sakyan. Kasi it comes with 6 So, ayan puntahan natin yung Skywheel. Yeah, lalo na ngayong mga gabi na, yung mga ilaw, nag-iilawan na yung mga attractions. It's very, very, festive yung environment dito. So let's just go walk around. Makita lang natin itong Skywheel. Tim Hortons. Ayan. Lakad tayo dito. Ooh, I've never been. I think I've been here once. Long time ago. We've already been. So, step right up. Carnival Chaos. Ito Skywheel. Niagara Skywheel is right over here. Diba? Canada Trading Company. Ito pa yung mga makikita natin dito. Dinosaurs is right over here. Dinosaur Adventure Golf. Obviously, walang ganyan ngayon kasi nga madaming medyo malamig. So, Carnival. Ito yung Believe It or Not, Ripley's Wizards Golf. Tignan mo yung Burger King doon, oh. Meron pa kasama si Frankenstein. May parking over there. Masyadong malayo ata yung site na yun. So, dito tayo sa may kabilang site naman. Niagara Speedway. Alam mo, ang masasabi ko nga lang sa inyo dito, no? Kahit na napakalamig ngayon, it's basically in the upper 20s in Fahrenheit. I-convert yun na lang yan sa Celsius. I think the last time I checked, it's about 26 degrees Fahrenheit. Masyadong maginaw. So, kayo nang bahalang mag-adjust. Pero, you know, tingnan mo. Say hi. Kailangan, pag punta ka dito ng around Christmas time, lalo na kung ngayon, just layer up. Nakatry na kami dito before, zombie attack. This is actually a lot of fun. Natry namin yan before. That was a lot of fun. I think it's worth the admission pag nagpunta kayo dito to select one of your attractions. Okay, so nandito yung isang Starbucks. Kelsey's is right over here. Ikutin na lang natin and then we're gonna go back to the main street. Ayan. Parang ano dito? It's almost giving a little bit of Vegas downtown. Yun nga lang, instead of mga casinos, mga attractions na yung makikita natin. Starbucks right here. Ito yung Ripley's. Clifton Hill Center Street. Ayan yung mga pangalan ng street dito. I think that's pretty much it. Bababa na ulit tayo dito sa may side na to. Louis Tussauds. I think parang Madame Tussauds na ano yan na makeshift. So, or parang play from that original concept. Kasi si Madame Tussauds is like very popular. Meron din silang version dito tawag Louis Tussauds Waxworks. Mga ganun din. Frankenstein. Hindi ba ka nakakapasok dito I haven't tried this yet. We might give this a shot. So, ayun, may casino doon sa unahan. Oh, we're gonna go. Yes. Oh, ayan, naikot ko na kayo sa mga ano dito, attractions. I think I'm gonna go head over there. Para ito yung pinanggalingan ko kanina sa dinosaurs, pero ito yun. Sa Ripley's ito I'm at the foot of it. So, ayan. It still picks up at the same time. Burger King, Frankenstein, dito siya. Wizard's Golf. Kind of wet today. Malamig nga, no? And then, pakita ko uli yan, when you actually walk all the way down there, andun yung Niagara Falls. Diba? So, and there you have it, folks. Naka-ikot-ikot na kayo dito sa Cliffside Hill Street and nagkaroon kayo ng idea on what you can expect dito sa may Niagara Falls area. Kasi hindi lang naman yung falls ang ma-appreciate nyo, lalo na if it's better weather. May mga attractions dito. Punong-puno ng kasiyahan, maraming mga kaganapang nangyayari. So, I've always loved coming back here sa Niagara Falls, even though I've been here I don't want to say countless times, but a few times already. Whenever we get a chance na makavisit dito sa Canada, we really take advantage of it. Kasi in the surrounding areas naman, hindi lang dito sa Cliffside, Clifton Hill, may mga restaurants din naman kayong pwedeng bisitahin at puntahan. So, there's definitely a lot of things that you can do around here. May casino pa nga dun sa unahan. Diba? Nakita nyo yun. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayun yung casino. Ayun yung casino sa unahan. Nakita nyo. Ito Sheraton, itong hotel na to. And then obviously may Hard Rock Cafe dun sa unahan. Ang Hard Rock Cafe is actually dyan sa tabi ng ayan ang casino. And then now, we go back inside sa arcade. Balik na tayo. Nandito lang sila nag-aabang. Kasi nga medyo malamig pag na-expose ka sa labas. Ay, ang galing naman ng bata magmotor. Tingnan mo. Aliw na aliw yung bata magmotor. Oh, yung position, oh. Ready, get set, go. Let's see. Okay. Oh, ito naman, di ba, nakita nyo na yung mga arcade and games. Ito yung mga merch nila dito. Oh, tingnan mo. Or mga prices ata ito if you can claim it. Kids, actually, young adults and even adults. Awesome. Yes. How much did you score? You lost your spot? Oh. What about the little guy over there? Oh, ano nito? Ghost Blasters. We're about to get on the Ghost Blasters. Oh, she's excited. He's excited. Ah, first time ni Joaquin yan. First time ni Joaquin pupunta sa Ghost Blasters. Ayun na sila. They're going up ahead. Oh, we're gonna go inside. Tingnan mo. Blasters, welcome. Oh, we're gonna shoot some ghosts. Tingnan mo, ready na yung isa, oh. Ayan. Oh. Oh, we have to. Oh. Oh. Baka matakot si Joaquin dito. Baka matakot si Joaquin. Tingnan mo yung tsura.
Yeah, I know it's dark too.
Magugulat si Joaquin dito, Jana. Nagulat ako doon, ha? Oo. Tingnan mo. Oh. How much goes did we hit? That's it?
Hindi pa.
Oh! Ah, meron pa pala. Oh. We have to start shooting ghosts. Oh, you know. I'm hitting. Oh, I'm hitting them. Nakakagulat naman pala yung iba dito. How much? Oh.
I'm better.
Oh no, I'm better.
I'm player 2 actually. All I gotta say
Kasi kumukuha ako ng vlog.
no. You can multitask, I think.
Ayaw magpatalo ng katabi ko.
I'm so good. I'm just so good at shooting.
Ayan na. Ah, diba? Oh. Ay! Ginugulat mo ako, Jana eh. Ginulat ako? Ayan na yan. Baka lalabas ko. Bigla, oh! Ito, Jana, lalabas ko. Oh!
Hopefully, Joaquin wasn't scared.
Ay, hindi, baka nga natakot. Ano? Tingnan natin.
Look at the speed difference.
Oh, I think I caught up. Panalo ako.
No,
Ay, naku,
this is your last chance. You can come back.
Ano? Oh! Ah, yun na. Exit, come back. Fine, we're coming back.
And the winner is...
Oh, hit it. Ano, out of credits. Let's go collect our prize. Magaling si ate. She was able to score a lot and we're gonna go score big. Ilan ang points mo kanina sa Ghost Blasters? Pina-diferensya
What was
namin.
yours?
Ha? 300. Sa kanya 200 lang.
33,000. Right? 200 now. You know, mine...
Sa kanya amateur, ako apprentice.
No, mine is 33,000. Let's look if we can get a prize.
We're gonna go collect our prize. Yes, excited na si Joaquin, no? Don't even know if... Ay, bakit nag-cut-through ka dyan? Nag-cut-through yung bata.
You learned that.
Yes. Paunahin mo na siya. Oh, you're gonna go collect your prize, Joaquin, no? We don't even know how many tickets.
Probably
How many
nothing.
tickets we won. We don't even know. So ang sistema pala dito, you're gonna be given a card and then at the end of it, you're gonna accumulate points and then you'll find out how many
Okay.
tickets are available.
Oh my... Wow.
How many tickets?
56 tickets. Okay. Okay. Oh, you want the skateboard? The skateboard?
We have 50. Oh, yan. O kaya 225 or something.
Yeah, skateboard and then you want a million.
Oh, skateboard, yeah.
Skateboard and do you want... What else? Pick from here. Joaquin. That's 50. 35 plus, I know. Ito na lang, 35 plus one of these.
Hindi, dalawa.
He only has 50.
56 eh.
Oh, okay.
So,
A
2.
frog and a...
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So you're gonna go get the
Yeah, the skateboard.
skateboard, you're gonna get it. And you're gonna get one of this, the frog, and then the,
Yay!
take the green one. We got 56 points, guys. Ang sistema dyan, yan yung mga points na
We have enough for the
niya.
skateboard.
So,
Are you
Joaquin is gonna
excited?
get his skateboard. Parang, ano to, figure dito, ruler.
Wag na lang. Not that.
Oh, ayan. May mga choices na rin pala siya. Oh my gosh! Ang dami namin points, no? 56 tickets. Courtesy of Tito Tantan. Yan, katabi ito ng balance check ng ticket, no? If you wanted to redeem your prices. Andito yung mga free information about different claim your price? Did you claim your price? Oh, nice! Love it! I love the skateboard. And then you got the
Frog
soldier.
and two soldiers and a
Oh,
frog.
I did get 2 frogs. Wow. Oh, how did you get 2?
She just gave us another one. I said, bakit?
Okay. That was very nice. Because that was way over our balance.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
We only had 56.
Exactly. We had 56 and that's probably like about worth 60 plus. Let's go. Show it to mommy what you got. Let's go. Pasok na kami dito sa Boston Pizza. Si Mori, dala-dala si Joaquin. Pagod na eh. We are actually accessing it from the arcade area. There's 6 adults and 1 kid. What happened? Oh. Ayan, oh. Oh, ayan ang La Familia. Kayo, kuna ko kayo. Ano naman siya. Ay, naku guys. Change of plans. We were supposed to go sa Boston Pizza, kaya lang ang daming tao. So, magre-reroute na lang kami dito sa Hooters. Malapit lang dito. Siguro dito naman less crowd. Ando kasi yung concentration ng crowd sa may Boston Pizza eh. So, andito na kami sa off the Clifton Hill Street. Medyo hindi to concentrated ng crowd. So, hopefully, ang restaurant is not as crowded and as busy. Ayan na. Umayos kayo.
Sabi ni Mommy, oh, Starbucks in front of the keg dito pala. I told you. Dito pala ang Starbucks eh.
Ang dami. Starbucks malapit daw, no?
Yeah, I said. I was like, there's so
Parang
far.
nag-iisa yung Starbucks doon eh. Nasa ano. Ayan na Hooters, oh. Ang galing ng 5 minutes, di ba?
Yeah,
25 minutes.
times 3.
Oh, ayan yung Denny's. Sino? Okay, ayan yung ang galing, di ba? At malapit yung parking nyo dito, no? Kaya sa kabila pa. Ang layo na pinarkingan ninyo. Ang layo na pinarkingan nila. Nasa ano na to, kawalan na to eh. Malapit kami sa ano. Yung pinarkingan namin malapit mismo dun sa may... ito yung Starbucks pala na pinduan nyo kanina. Yun ang inaano namin. Figure ang dami nilang tao kanina, ha? You guys, andito na kami sa Hooters. We're gonna have dinner here. Sports bar naman siya. So, we'll enjoy ourselves. Hooters!
Burger for me,
Burger for
Kasi hindi siya tinanong.
Oh, we're here at Hooters. We're ready to order. Yeah. And then we're gonna have dinner right now. So I think we're ready to order. Anong gagawin ng dalawa? Uminom? Edad na pala sila. They're of age na naman daw. Okay. So now, ang kukunin ko is yung Hooters burger. Yeah. Let me show you what I'm getting. Nakita ko lang sa inyo yung menu dito. So here is the menu.
Diet Pepsi, please.
Could I have the same Diet Pepsi, please? Yeah. Yeah. And then, ito yung menu nila sa Hooters. Ayan o, tignan nyo. These are the different options. Tapos, ito yung wings. Oh, ayan, Canadian dollars yan. So, tignan mo, diba? And what I am getting today is yung Hooters cheeseburgers. So that comes with curly fries now. And you can substitute it for regular fries and I think onion rings. So, we are ready to order. Nasa Hooters kasi kasama si Joaquin, oh. Yung dalawang magkapatid, magka-cocktail sila daw. Hiningian sila ng ID. Typical.
Mine has blue curacao. It's rum.
What is it?
Blue curacao, rum, pineapple, and orange juice. So it's like a Hawaiian. What is that? I don't know what this is. So,
Okay, anyway.
Hawaiian punch?
Mine is
No.
the princess.
blue Hawaii cocktail.
What's in it? There's like amaretto.
Amaretto.
What else?
Yeah, all the good stuff. Cheers! Na yung kanyang fish and chips dito sa Hooters. Oh, ito one piece. Oh, ang laki.
Dalawa pala sa'yo, Maurice? Bakit parang ang liit ng slice?
It's okay.
Nani lang sa dalawa.
Kaya nga eh.
Oh, ayan.
Sa akin, isa lang oh. Tingnan mo yung
Oh, ayan.
tingnan mo yung
Mag-enjoy ka na lang sa food ko.
Kamay mo tanggalin.
Oh, gutom na yung ano.
I'm gonna give
Ay,
you food.
hungry na daw siya. Kawawa naman. Yeah! Fish and chips. Oh, dumating na yung aming food. Cheeseburgers right over here. Kay Margo, no? Big booty siya. Laki na ang order. Oh, sabi ng bata, oh, ganun daw. Thank you.
Yan na kayo.
Tignan mo siya. Malaki yung kanya.
You like fish, Ken? This is onion. Fish, fish.
Oh, bon appetit you guys. Kakain muna kami, no? Dahil gutom na gutom, walang lunch, and then now we're having early dinner. So, itadakimasu, as what the Japanese would say. Oh, ayan, gabi na dito sa may Clifton Hill, sa Niagara Falls. Mailaw na siya, oh. Yay! We just finished dinner sa Hooters. We're walking back now to our car. Jana, oh, mag-hello daw kayo. Gabi na. Gabi na. Ginaw nga ang lamig. Whew. We have to cross. Dandun yung ano. Malapit sa arcade. Yung Jana yung parking. Yung IHOP, tatawid tayo doon. Alam mo ba yung IHOP? Yes. Ano shoot? Yield naman sila for pedestrians. Let's go. Ay, ang daming tao ngayon. Bakit ganun pagkagabi?
Because it's nicer at night.
Ah?
Did I say hi to my uncle?
What? Oh. Sino to? Oh, hey, Paul. Good, how are you? Merry Christmas. Merry belated Christmas. Well, yeah. I hope you had fun during Christmas.
No, he didn't have fun at Christmas.
Why?
Yeah, he said he doesn't celebrate it.
Oh, you guys didn't celebrate, even the two of you?
I was right here for Christmas.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, yeah.
No, he said you stole me out from. I know.
Well, you know, you're gonna have some late celebration anyway.
One late celebration.
Yeah, you can't catch up. Young people always find way.
Where?
I know it's cold. Dito na, asan ba yung ano IHOP? That's my indication. No.
It's here.
IHOP. We're.
The burger.
Oh. Yeah. Sorry, good. Oh, yeah. Mahirap ang labasan dito ngayon, Mori. Oh, tingnan mo. Wow. Kaya ay mag-park pala ni Daddy dito.
I mean,
To get across. So, paano to? How do we cross here? Oh my God. Wala pa namang stoplight. Hey guys, andito nga pala kami ngayon sa may LCBO. So just to let you guys know, this is fully owned by the province of Ontario. Sinentralize nila yung kanilang sale ng alcohol para makontrol nga siya sa overconsumption, or at least ma-curb yung overconsumption na doon. So nandito ako ngayon to get some stuff dahil bibili si Moods ng whiskey for Vince, yung stepdad ko. So ngayon ako naman ang bibili ng what you call this, some wine probably. I'm gonna go check what we can get here. Andun sila eh. Pakita ko sa inyo, no? Ito yung store nila dito. Yan, o, diba? DQA Ontario. Pinot Noir. Let's see, we have some stuff here. Exciting, diba? So, titingin ako dito ng mga made in Ontario na wine. Maraming options naman. So, meron ditong Chardonnay. which is one of my favorites. White wine. So, bibili siguro ako isang piraso lang. Tapos, ipapasabay ko na siguro sa kanila. Okay, just wanted to give you guys a tour here. This is organic actually. Adobe Reserva Chardonnay. May Shiraz din dito. But, I don't know, I'm kind of like gravitating towards white wine lately. Ayan yung may mga point system din sila. Oh. So, it's pretty much similar to the wine stores that we have in New Jersey. Let's check this. These are familiar brands. I wanted to do Ontario brands para meron tayong options dito. What is this? Bubbles. I don't know if I want to get something like that. International domestic blends. But these are red wines. I want something specific to Ontario. DQA Ontario siguro. 16, this is $14. Winefield blend. What should I get? Oh, Chardonnay. I think I'm gonna go with Chardonnay na lang. Yan, oh. I wanna twist off. It's much easier that way. So again, no, kasi sabi ko lang sa inyo, LCBO is fully owned by the province of Ontario para ma-regulate nila yung tinatawag na overconsumption. Established din siya, I think, in the 1920s. So ito lang ang basically retailer ng alcohol or liquor in the province. And since we are in Hamilton or Greater Toronto, this part of it, right? So we'll check this out.